Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to set up recurring payments in QuickBooks Online. From the dashboard, hover over Sales on the left-hand side, then click Invoices. Locate the invoice you want to use to create the recurring transaction. Click the down arrow in the action columns next to the invoice you will be using. Then click on View or Edit. The invoice you selected will open. At the bottom of the screen, select Make Recurring. A new screen will open. This screen is your QuickBooks Recurring Invoice template. You'll notice the invoice you selected is copied onto this screen. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.